Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, students.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Wabarakatuh.
day, sir.
All right, it's nice to see you today, students. Before we start our class today, we pray together. Zetro, can you lead the prayer, please?
Okay, sir. So everyone, before we started the class today, it is better for us to have pray. Well, pray, begin. Finish.
All right, thank you, Zetro. So before we start, let me check the attendance list. First is Sri Dwi Nurbaiti. Are you here?
Present, sir.
All right, Nadia Valentina Zain.
Present, sir.
All right, Zetro Genik Dewangga.
Present, sir.
Celia Apredita.
Present, sir.
Okay, and Arta Olicia.
Present, sir.
All right, students. So this is our third meeting about greeting and parting. Let me start the slide. Okay, so kita telah mendiskusikan mengenai greeting and parting di pertemuan sebelumnya. Sebelum kita lanjutkan materi, hari ini Sir akan mengajak kalian untuk bermain mengenai greeting and parting. Sebelum kita mulai bermain, kita akan merefresh sedikit memori atau ingatan mengenai greeting and parting. Ada yang masih ingat apa itu greeting? Somebody? Anyone have any word about greeting? No? Oke. So, greeting biasanya dipakai ketika hendak menyapa seseorang yang dikenal. Nah, selain untuk tujuan menyapa, greeting juga bisa digunakan untuk ungkapan sapaan maupun memulai percakapan. Nah, seperti tadi yang Sir mulai di kelas, Sir menggunakan greeting untuk memulai kelas kita pada pagi hari ini seperti good day, students. So, ada yang tahu salah satu contoh greeting itu apa? Selain good day. Anyone? Ada? Contoh? Tidak? Ya, untuk mempersingkat waktu. Jadi salah satu contohnya ada seperti hello, atau hi, good morning, good afternoon. We already learned this before. What's up, what's new, how's everything, and so on. Lalu parting. Ada yang tahu apa itu parting? Somebody? Arta? Sir mau bertanya pada Arta nih.
Yes,
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Arta?
Yes, sir.
Nah, ketika kita ada pertemuan, pasti ada.
Perpisahan.
Nah, maka parting adalah ungkapan untuk mengakhiri pembicaraan atau untuk
Berpisah.
Nah, ya benar. Arta tahu nggak salah satu contohnya itu apa?
Goodbye.
Nah, correct. Thank you, Arta. Thank you for your
Welcome, sir.
participation. Nah, seperti kata Arta tadi, contohnya itu ada goodbye, good night, see you later, see you tomorrow, see you next time, have a nice day, and so long. So, itu tadi hanya sebagai pembukaan atau pendahuluan pembelajaran kita pagi hari ini. Intinya, pembelajaran inti kita pada hari ini adalah game ini. Jadi, kita akan bermain sebuah game. Nama gamenya adalah Treasure Hunt, Greeting and Parting. Jadi pada game ini, kita akan sedikit bermain role play, di mana kalian students akan menjadi pirate, dan Sir adalah administratornya. So, let me start. Nah, ini adalah peraturan permainannya. Yang pertama adalah you students aktif berpartisipasi. Lalu yang kedua, berbicara ketika ditunjuk, hanya berbicara ketika ditunjuk. Dan yang ketiga adalah tidak ada pengurangan nilai jika salah. Jadi, jangan takut untuk mencoba menjawab, dan malulah ketika kita tidak berani mencoba. Oke? Ada pertanyaan? Do you have any questions, students?
No, sir.
Others? Is that clear? Anyone? Is that clear?
Yes,
Cannot?
sir.
Okay, thank you. So, let me start the game. Nah, untuk yang peraturan kedua, berbicara ketika ditunjuk, saya akan melihat siapa yang terlebih dahulu raise hand. Setelah saya tunjuk, baru menjawab. Oke? So, please be active. Nah, we have a 4 game here. Should we did it in order or you choose? Anyone? In order or you choose which one first? Okay, if you just keep silent, we will did it in order. I forget to mention that the winner or the parrot who answer the most will get a prize, will get a treasure. All right. So please be active and answer the questions. So we start first with the maze. Kita mulai game yang pertama, maze. Ada yang tahu maze? Sepertinya nggak ada yang tahu. Biasa main goli di rumah. Maze. Jadi peraturannya adalah saya akan memberikan sebuah ticket question. Lalu kalian berlomba-lomba siapa yang terlebih dahulu yang ingin menjawab. Setelah berhasil menjawab, maka kalian boleh memilih jalur mana yang tepat untuk menyelesaikan maze-nya. Oke, agar tidak bingung, kita mulai saja. First maze. This is the ticket question. You can answer it to me. And I'll give you a ticket to go to the maze. So, who will answer this first question? You can raise hand. Anyone? Okay, Celia. Celia first. You can answer, Celia.
Good afternoon, Aisyah.
Okay, that's correct, Celia. Now you have a half treasure. To get a full treasure, you need to choose the correct way to the maze. This is the maze. I'll give you 10 seconds to choose the correct way. Can you see it? Start now. 1. Time is over. Is it A or B?
B, sir.
All right, B. So let me see. Yeah, it's a wrong answer, Celia, sadly. So you only get a half of tracer for Celia. Let's try. So let we go to the second. Oops, this is the ticket question for the second maze. One, you can lower your hand first. Lower your hand. Lower. All right. So this is the next ticket question. Anyone? Sure. All right. The first is Zetro. I see. I think Zetro, you may go.
Which one is parting expression? Goodbye, sir.
Okay, that's correct, Zetro. You ready to go to the maze?
Yes, I am.
Okay. 10 seconds. Time is over. Which one is it? Yang mana,
Easy.
Zetro?
Option B, sir.
B. All right. So let's see. Yeah, the gold is yours, Zetro. Zetro with 1 treasure. Nice, Zetro. Nice try. So that's for the maze. We next to the second game. Or you wanna choose? Nah, we just go to the second game. Q&A. So this is a simple game. You just answer the question correctly. Tapi yang pertama kali raise hand, okay? You ready? Are you ready? Yes, you are good. Good pirate. So let's start. This is the first question. Anyone? All right, it's Celia again. Go on, Celia.
The answer is hello.
Can you spell it?
Hello.
Okay, that's correct, Celia. Thank you. You see? Yep, that's correct. You ready for the second question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Nadia, your turn.
What do you say when asking people condition? The answer is how are you, sir?
Can you spell it, Nadia?
HOWAREYOU.
Okay, that's correct. 1 treasure
How
for
are you?
Nadia. Okay, Nadia, thank you. Okay, that's 2 question for the Q&A. We move to the next game, students. This one is puzzle. So you choose the correct answer of the puzzle, and then I'll give you a question. Okay? Do you understand? Jadi kalian pilih puzzle yang mana yang benar. Jika benar, maka saya akan memberikan kalian pertanyaan. Tapi jika salah, saya akan melemparkan ke yang lain. Jika kalian benar hanya di puzzle, maka dapat setengah. Jika benar dua-duanya, maka dapat 1. Oke, kita mulai. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Anyone wanna try to answer? Okay, Nadia again. Which one is it, Nadia? Left or right?
Right, sir.
Okay, that's great. So you have a half now, and I wanna ask you, what do you answer if I ask you, it's nice to meet you, Nadia.
It's nice to meet you too, sir.
Okay, that's correct, Nadia. So Nadia have another 1 tracer. Okay, lower your hand, lower your hand, lower your hand. Okay, for the second question, for the second puzzle. Anyone? Okay, Sri Dwi Nurbaiti. Gone. I'm sorry, Sri Dwi Nurbaiti. Which one is it? Left or right?
I think on left, sir.
Okay, let me see. Okay, that's correct answer. You have a half tracer now. The question is, what do you answer if I ask you, how are you, Betty?
The answer is, if you ask me, how are you? I will answer that I'm fine, sir. And you?
Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you, Betty, for your answer. That's correct. So Betty have 1 treasure now. That's 2 question for the what is the name? For the puzzle. So we go to our last game. Kita masuk kepada game terakhir kita, penentuan siapakah yang akan mendapatkan hadiah dari permainan Treasure Hunter ini. You ready students for the last game? Yes. Nah, permainan ini sangat mudah, jadi kalian memilih huruf mana yang tepat, chess mana yang tepat untuk mengisi kata yang ada. Oke, are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Oke, Sri Dunurbaiti. Go on.
T, sir,
Left or right?
on the left side.
Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's correct, Sri Dunurbaiti. Thank you. Okay, lower your hand, please. And next, we come to the second chess. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it's like Nadia again. Nadia?
The answer is on the right side, sir.
Okay, the right
And-
chess. Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's correct answer, Nadia. Thank you. So, you just complete all the games, Pirate, and I think you have a very high participation. Thank you. Kalian sangat bersemangat untuk bermain game pada pagi hari ini. Jadi bagaimana perasaannya setelah bermain game tadi? Apakah kalian semua bersemangat?
Semangat, Sir. Tapi nggak dapat.
Okay, that's fine. We'll play again next time. So seperti yang saya bilang tadi, pemenang atau yang mendapat race terbanyak akan mendapatkan hadiah. Mari kita cek. Arta tidak mendapatkan treasure, sadly. Sorry Arta. Lalu di atasnya ada Zetro dengan 1 treasure. Lalu ada Celia dengan 1,5 treasure. Lalu ada Sedunur Baiti dengan 2 treasure. Dan yang mendapatkan hadiah adalah Nadia dengan 3 treasure. Give applause to Nadia. Okay. So this is the reward for your good participation. Now you have a Pirate Diploma. I will write your name here. Saya akan menulis nama Nadia di sini. Nah, nanti foto Nadia bisa dipajang di sebelah kanan ini. Panji Ramadan. Maaf Nadia. Nadia Valentina Zain. Nah, nanti foto Nadia bisa diletak di kanan sebagai pemenang dari Treasure Hunter ini. Lalu bisa di print out dan juga dipajang di kamar. I think that's all for the game today. So, for the game, what did you get, students? Apakah ada yang kalian dapat selain merasakan enjoy setelah bermain game mengenai greeting and parting? Did you have something in mind? Seperti contoh greeting, apakah sudah mengingat? Zetro, apa saja tadi yang kita pelajari? Contoh greetingnya ada apa aja? Zetro, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Contoh greetingnya tadi apa aja?
Like good morning, what's up, what's new with you, good afternoon, etc.
Thank you, Zetro. Celia, if I ask you, how are you, Celia? What do you answer?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. And you?
Okay, that's nice. Fine too. So I think this game is not just fun, but you get the material that we learned about greeting and parting. So I think because this successful, we maybe will use again later. So I think that's all for today's students. Before we close the class, Zetro, can you lead the prayer, please?
All right, sir. So, everyone, before we end the class today, it is better for us to have a pray. Okay, pray, begin. Finished.
All right, thank you, Zetro. So before we leave the class, I want each one of you to give me a parting, ucapan parting dari Zetro.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for today, and I hope I meet you again next week. See you, sir.
See you, Zetro. Arta?
See you, sir.
See you, Arta. Celia?
Thank you for today's lesson, sir. See you.
See you, Celia. Sri Nurbaiti?
Thank you so much, sir, and see you next week, sir.
See you, Sri Nurbaiti. And last, Nadia?
Thank you for the lesson and the great game, sir. See you next week.
See you. See you, everyone. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.